Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A72, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. And as you can see on my screen, I can find the tempered glass. So it will be a good test. We are going to check also how sensitive is this sensor. So right now let's lock the device and then let's try to check how it works. So as you can see, it works every time, but to be honest, it's not the fastest fingerprint sensor that I have ever used, but it's not that bad. And the most important thing that it recognizes our fingerprint through the tempered glass, and it unlocks phone every time. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.